Kwentin Shelton, welcome to Main Character Moments, our latest Splunk series where we learn from our amazing community of users. To kick things off, tell us where you live and what you do for work.
Thank you, Callie, for having me on your platform. I am based in the Atlanta area, and I currently work as a cybersecurity analyst for an MSP in Alpharetta, Georgia. In my current role, I investigate security events and help organizations stay secure in their environments.
Can you share how Splunk became part of your early career?
Yes, I was working at Kennesaw State's IT department, and we used this software to monitor user-based behavior for compliance. And later, I joined the Splunk Academic Alliance program. Because of this partnership, I was allowed to get free training and even a voucher for their certification exams. This was huge because it allowed me to upskill my career without a financial barrier.
When did you realize the power of Splunk?
So back in 2024, I was trying to get mature roles outside of help desk. And upon my research, I learned that Splunk was a respected tool in the cybersecurity industry, and I was already using this tool. When I got my certification, it allowed me to expand on to mature roles in cybersecurity.
You've been really open about accessibility and inclusion in tech. Can you share why that matters so much to you?
Yes, I'm on the autism spectrum, and navigating things like tests and interviews can often be a challenge for me. When I was geared to take my Splunk certification exam, I actually reached out to the Splunk Education team, and they guided me to get testing accommodations, which included extended time. Having extended time really made a difference in the success of me passing my exam. It showed me that accessibility is just not talked about, but it's seamless when you have a community that understands and supports you.
I watched your great episode on the Textual Chatter YouTube, and I was really encouraged by how you've navigated the tech landscape despite your challenges. Can you share a little bit about that experience for those just getting started in their career?
Thank you for tuning in. It was a great opportunity for me to speak to my neurodivergent audience. For those trying to advance in tech, use the resources that are around you and don't underestimate the experience you may already have. In my case, the Splunk hands-on labs were a huge game changer for me, especially because I'm a visual learner. Programs like the Splunk Academic Alliance program really helped me fast-track my career. I'm glad I was able to find this program.
Kwentin, thank you for sharing. Even a fraction of your experience can make a difference to our friends in the community. Your story is a really great reminder that curiosity, community, and access can open many doors.